Have you ever wondered why we don't say, I am knowing? Let's find out. In English, verbs are either actions or states. Action verbs like run describe things we physically do, but state verbs describe feelings, thoughts, or conditions like know or love. The golden rule: state verbs generally do not take the ing ending. You can say, I love pizza, but never, I am loving pizza. Think of state verbs as fixed feelings, not temporary physical actions. So use action verbs for movement and keep state verbs simple. Keep this tip in mind and you'll sound much more natural. You've got it. Now try making a sentence with a state verb.